It was a happy episode for me and my kumaring Ultramolita when we attended this event. This is Aaron Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko po ang aking kumaring Ultramaldita
Hi, this is Alex
at
Brosas.
inyo pong pinapanood ang The Kitty Show. Ang taray na talakin show. Before we even talk lengthily about this, we would like to thank the JM Fiang
Official.
official for taking time to, first of all, write me sa Instagram at imbitahan kami para dumalo ng block screening sa super blockbuster movie nilang Almost Us. Napalabas pa po ngayong weekend sa mga sinihan. So, panoorin niyo po at I'm sure, manalig po kayo sa sinasabi namin ni Alex, you will not regret watching it. Ako po, first time ko ito pa pala. Sa dinami-dami na ng mga artista, ng mga love team, at kung sino-sino binigyan namin ng mga papuri at magagandang pananalita sa aming
Sinuportahan.
sinuporta dito sa The City Show.
3 years.
Bukod tanging ang JM Fiang fans lang ang nagka-courage na imbitahan kami at iparamdam sa amin kung gaano kami ka-appreciated. Kasi pagpasok pa lang po namin sa venue, binigay agad yung aming mga loot bags, binigay agad ang mga wristbands, may umaalalay pa sa amin kung saan kami dapat maglakad, kung saan kami dapat papunta. Pagdating namin talaga doon sa mismong area, inabutan tayo ng bulaklak, which was the sweetest gesture. We even met the Mami Myrna of Young Smith. And then, ayun na, tuloy-tuloy na kami hanggang sa mapanood namin yung movie. Ikaw, Mare, what were your thought balloons bago tayo pumasok sa loob ng sinihan?
I never thought that it was a well-attended event.
At 2 theaters po ang
Oo,
binook
2
nila.
theaters eh.
Yung dalawang pinakamalaking
Sa
theater sa Cineplex
Gateway
ngayon.
Mall eh.
Oo. Cinema 11 and Cinema 18.
And I never thought, kasi this is the first time that I attended the black screening. I have no idea how black screenings are organized.
Go about.
How they go about. I realized that JM Fiang must have done enormously good things for fans to treat them like royalties.
Yes.
Iba.
Oo.
Personalized ang mga ang mga pinamigay na
Gamit
merchants, di ba?
sa merchandises.
Oo, di ba?
Sa mga loot bags namin.
Tsaka, talagang pinag-isipan, di ba tayo nga, ginawang
Ginawa tayo
parang cartoon.
Cartoon dolls.
Cartoon dolls na, talagang tayo na talaga. Ano yun parang exclusive sa atin
Sa atin
yun,
lang
di ba?
yun.
Oo, di ba?
May wallet pa.
Oo.
May wallet,
Diba?
may cartoon stickers. Tapos sa loob, parang may mint candies, may eraser.
Tapos may yung the food,
Oo. Yung banana chips
banana
na
chips
original
may
flavor saka barbecue flavor.
Di ba?
At bago pa pala kami pumasok, ang daming games, di ba? May mga booths, may photo booth na malaki.
May photo booth nga, yun.
May mga laro-laruan, mga pwede kang bumarel, whatever. May mga games na ganoon.
Oo. Tawag dito, the enormity of the event surprised me. Talaga, oh my God! Parang this is a celebration.
Yes, a celebration
The
of
biggest celebration of a love team about to enter big time kasi nga first movie nila, di ba?
About to enter superstardom. About to enter and make their mark in show business.
I mean, I have witnessed yung mga lahat ng mga love teams na naanuhan natin, di ba? Nagdaan sa atin.
Nakita natin, naobserbahan.
Oo, but this one is one for the book.
That's
Iba.
something else.
Iba talaga for a first time movie stars. Talagang para bigyan ng ganitong kaimportanteng appreciation ng fans.
Okay.
Grabe, pinagkagastusan talaga.
Okay. So when we were inside the theaters, sa middle of the movie, which I think a first time also in Philippine history, hininto ang pagpapalabas ng pelikula, yung screening. And then, came in the two young phenomenal stars. At ang sobra kong kinatuwa dun kasi we were given, 'di ba, we requested na magkaroon tayo ng picture
Yeah,
together with
oo.
them. And then paglapit namin dun sa dalawa, napaka-polite,
Mm.
'di ba? Walang air na, "Uy, artista kami,
Mm.
sino kayo? Hindi namin kayo kakilala." When we were introduced, nung kinamayan ko si Jemmy Ibarra, ang warm-warm ng paghawak ng kamay niya, 'di ba?
Hmm.
"Ay, hello po sir." Kamay talaga siya gano'n. Tapos kung kinamayan ko rin si
Fiang.
Fian,
Mhm.
yung kamay na madiin pero
Hmm.
parang yung sila pa yung nahihiyang kumamay,
Yeah.
'di ba? And then we were striking parang short conversation, sabi ko, 'di ba, sinabi ko, "You were very good." Gano'n. "Ay, salamat po, salamat po."
Hmm.
Yung yung humility, alam mong hindi ka ine-eklat, hindi ka pina-plastic, tapos 'di ba, at game agad silang makipag-pose sa atin, 'di ba?
Mm.
Parang hindi po kasi lahat nabigyan ng oportunidad na makapag-pose
Yeah.
with them. May isang ale, and then after that, nagti-tissue host na.
Mm.
So, sobrang nakakatuwa na that 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 gesture na nagawa ng JM official na mapakilala kami ng personal sa 2 taong pinag-uusapan lang namin palagi.
Mm.
Tapos in in a way kilala na kami, nakipagkamayan pa kami at nakapagpa-picture together. What say you about them when you saw them in person?
Ah, kasi the first time I saw them parang hindi na kasi hindi super close, eh.
Hmm,
Pero nung nakita ko sila in person, they were real as real can get,
hmm.
'di
Saka ang
ba?
gusto ko yung wala silang makeup. 'Di
Mm.
ba, si Fiang nakasalamin lang, kitang-kita mong walang makeup, si JM din.
Oo.
Tapos ang fresh-fresh pala nung JM.
Oo, fresh
Ang
talaga.
liit ng mukha in person,
Mm.
pati si Fiang din.
Oo, pero matangkad kasi ng konti si ano, eh, si JM, eh,
Oo, baka
'di
halos
ba?
kasing takad ko.
Mm. Maano talaga.
O
Tsaka ano, parang there is no arrogance, there is no
hmm,
in inherent ano,
walang
tawag dito,
yabang,
oo,
walang drama na parang, "Ay,
flair for
oo,
ano
oo,
made
na
na ako,
oo,
ay,
na
'di ba
artista
parang oo,
kami."
'di ba
Walang
wala
gano'n.
silang gano'n. There was never a put on ano,
Yes.
demeanor,
Yun ang gustong-gusto ko.
'di ba?
'Di ba walang ano, walang parang walang
Oo,
artificial.
kasi yung ibang celebrities, no offense meant, most
Yes,
celebrities, 'di ba,
may gano'n talaga.
na, "Ay, stop muna,
Oo,
hindi
oo.
ka ano into my space," 'di
Oo,
ba, parang
oo.
pero sila
Oo, 'di
hindi,
ba? Nung
'di
tumabi na
ba?
tayo walang
Oo,
ano,
walang hesitation, walang ano, resistance, walang
hmm,
ano, they were ano, appreciative, 'di ba?
yes. Okey.
Nakakaloka.
Kaya mas lalo ko silang mamahalin kasi napakaganda po ng pelikula.
The best for
What can
2026.
you say about the movie? After you've watched it and recalling it now?
This is the best movie, rom-com movie for 2026. Bar none, it is ano, the standard by which you will measure love teams.
Hmm,
Iba siya.
hmm,
One, si JM Fiang, yung love team nila, were so real
hmm.
that it's like you're not watching a movie.
Napaka-natural po ng pag-arte nila at
'Di ba?
kitang-kita mo talaga that they are friends, the
Mm.
chemistry talaga is there, and then the honesty. Ako more
Oo.
than the chemistry, it's the honesty that they infuse sa characters na si Janine saka kay Pip. I
Mm.
just forgot the name of, anong pangalan ni JM?
RR.
Ni RR. Yung character ni Janine at ni RR, but when they're together, 'di ba? Akala mo talaga super tropa,
Mm.
super kulitan, super
At saka ano, it gave, a new meaning to best friends. Kasi
yes.
not all best friends are like bulots. Bulots si
Bulots and
ano,
Pip.
si ano, si Fiang, 'di ba? Si Pip, si ano,
Mm.
si ano,
JM.
JM, 'di ba? Ano, eh, tawag dito, they gave you a ringside view of how best friends work. 'Di
Hmm,
ba kasi s lahat na ano, sinunod ni ano, 'di ba,
hmm,
ng character ni ano, ni JM.
hmm.
Lahat ng whims and caprices ni ano, 'di ba,
Ni
sinunod.
ni
Gano'n siya kahit na nasasaktan siya,
oo.
'di ba?
So, you really have to experience the movie because it's a wonderful, wonderful one.
Oo.
At isa po talagang I really have to say this. Dustin Yu, you are a
Ay! Oh
star.
my God. I think
Career,
Dustin, you should be ano
career defining yung presence mo sa movie.
oo.
And Dustin Yu as na wet, wet, wet.
Ay,
Ay,
Diyos ko.
napaay na
Eto
lang ako.
eto na naman tayo. My God.
A wet, wet, wet Dustin Yu is the best farewell
Ha?
for our episode this Saturday.
Ah?
Kaya inaanyayahan po namin kayong manood sa City Show tuwing 4:00 ng hapon. Pinapalabas ko po ng Sabado at Linggo sa aming YouTube channel at syempre sa aming Facebook page. Ako po si Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Thank you for joining the Kitty Show. Taray na talaking Showbiz Edition. Magandang Sabado po sa ating lahat.